Nirvitti. Nirvitti means finished. Now, there are two ways, pravitti and nirvitti. I want to smoke, that is called pravitti. And when I give up, that is called nirvitti. Pravitti and nirvitti. So there are two things, pravitti and nirvitti. But asuras, demons, they do not know in which way I shall guide my pravitti and which way I shall guide my nirvitti. This is the portion. In which way I will, pravitti and nirvitti, though these two things are there, but the difference between a demon and demigod is that a demon does not know how to direct these two propensities, pravitti and nirvitti. And a demigod knows how to guide these two things, pravitti and nirvitti. These two things. One who does not know, pravitti reshan bhutanang nirvittestu mahaphalam. Shastra says that these things, just like loke bhavayami samadha seva nityastu jantu nahi tattva chodana. These eating, sleeping, mating and defending, every animal, every small animal knows it very well. How to eat, how to sleep, how to have sexual intercourse, and how to defend. These four things, everyone knows by nature. So this is called pravitti. Pravitti. But it has to be made a nivitti, stop. They do not know what is the perfection. The perfection is the pravitti, propensities, eating, sleeping, mating, defending. And when you make it, just the opposite. No more eating, no more sleeping, no more mating, no more defending. That is perfection. Who knows this? Ask any scientist, philosopher of this world, that can you show me anywhere? No more eating, no more sleeping, no more mating, and no more defending. That is spiritual life. Therefore we have to reduce it. It is not possible, but there is possibility. Just like Raghunath Das Goswami. Raghunath Das Goswami, he made it in his life. During Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, after the departure of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, about 400 years ago. He was a very rich man's son. Very good wife, very good state. He left everything. And ultimately he made these things, even eating, meal. He was eating every third day a small quantity of butter. Nominal, yes. Otherwise he gave up eating. So it is possible. It is not that how one can give up eating and live at the same time. And that is possible by the life of Raghunath Das Goswami you see. So, actual civilization means to deny material conveniences. That is actual civilization. That is perfection of civilization. Otherwise, the cats and dogs, they are also after food, after sleeping, after sexual intercourse, after defense. What is the defense? The defense is the animals are after it, and the human beings should be not after it. Negation. That is perfection of life. So how you can negate? The Mahabharati philosophers, they want to negate, or the Buddhist philosopher, make it zero. Make it zero. Sunnavadi. Sunnavadi, Nirvisheshvadi. Nirvisheshvadi and Sunnavadi almost the same. So they are after negation. But that is not possible. Artificially, if you negate, I shall not eat. You cannot continue it for many days. That is not possible. That is not possible. Similarly, eating, sleeping, mating, everything, artificially you cannot do. But you can do it as perfectly as much possible simply by Krishna consciousness. Therefore, it is said here that Imannai asadalapui. If we stop Krishna talking, then that is negation. If we stop artificially this mundane talks, that will be artificial. You cannot sit down. If I say that's the so-called meditation. So meditation is artificially stopping this mundane activities. That is meditation. But how long he'll do that? He is becoming suffocated. When I shall talk. I am meditating. But how will it stop? That is not possible. Just like this Mayavadi philosopher, they say, become desireless. No more desire. That is not possible. I am a living entity. How can I be desireless? It is not possible. So this negative process will not help us. Sunnavadi, Nirvisheshvadi, it will not be helpful. Therefore in the Shastra it is said that Arujya Kritchena Parang Padang Tata Patanti Adha Anadita Jusmadangraya. The same example I have given several times, that these rascals that they are going to the moon planet and sun planet, but they do not get any shelter, and they came down here. Their advancement means go to some extent and then come back again. When the Russian aeronauts was on flying, he was seeing, where is my Moscow? Where is my Moscow? The anchor is there. The attraction is there in the national, in the country, in the city, in the home, in the wife, in the cats, in the dog. And he is trying to go up. But that is not possible. Just like a vulture. He goes 3 miles up, or more than that. But his aim of life is to find out a dead body. He is finding. He has gone so up. You can say that advancement of going up. But the business is to see where is a dead body so that he can eat. So this kind of artificial going up and making things negation will not help us. That is not possible. Therefore they are failure. Arujya Kritchena Paranga Padaga Tata. These Mayavadi philosophers, they may go very high by knowledge, by speculation, but they will again fall down. Why? Anadita Jusmadangraya, because they could not get the shelter of your lotus feet. Therefore they will fall down. That is not secure. Because a man cannot remain without any activity, without any desire. That is not possible. A man, animal, any, even insect. He must be doing something. I have got practical experience. One of my sons, a child, when I was young man, he was very naughty. So sometimes we used to put him on the rack. He could not get down. So he was feeling so uncomfortable because his activity stopped on the rack. So you cannot stop activity. That is not possible. You must give better activity. Then he'll stop. Paramdrishta nivartate. So this Krishna consciousness movement is that you get better activity, therefore you can give up the inferior activities. Otherwise, simply by negation, it is not possible. We must walk. We must walk for Krishna's sake. We shall go to the Krishna's temple, or we shall go for selling Krishna's book, or meeting some Krishna devotee. That is nice. But you cannot stop walking. That is not possible. Then your idle brain will be devil's workshop. Yes. Then you will fall down. How to go to that woman, how to go to that man. If you stop walking, then you have to walk again to sense gratification. That's all. Similarly, you take any sense, you cannot stop it, but you have to engage it. That is Krishna consciousness. So find out some business for Krishna. Don't waste time. That is the perfection of Krishna consciousness. Thank you very much.